When you're searching for the best automotive paint gun for beginners, everything looks the same. Same flashy features, similar claims. But if you want to understand what actually works and what's just marketing fluff, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Aeropro R500 LVLP Spray Gun. The Aeropro R500 LVLP air spray gun immediately caught my eye with its sleek black design and a price of $70.99. If you want a solid introduction to automotive painting, this is worth a serious look. This gun utilizes a low-volume, low-pressure (LVLP) design, requiring only 3 to 3.9 cfm of air, which means less overspray and a smoother finish. It comes with 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7 nozzles, so you can tackle various projects from auto parts to furniture with ease. The 280 mm spray width allows for quick coverage, so you can finish your projects faster. Plus, the high paint utilization rate of up to 65% means you'll be saving paint and money. Now, some users mention that the trigger can be a bit sensitive, which might feel awkward at first. But here's the thing, once you get used to it, that sensitivity actually helps you control the spray better, making it easier to achieve fine details. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get into automotive painting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a gun that can handle heavy-duty industrial use. Overall, it offers great value for money. Product number 2, Enoccraft D1 LVLP Spray Gun. Next up is the Enoccraft D1 LVLP air spray gun, priced at $107.99. This one stood out because it's designed for ease of use, making it ideal for DIYers. If you want to spray like a pro with minimal fuss, this is a solid option. The D1 comes with everything you need right out of the box, including an air pressure regulator and oil-water separator. This means you can jump straight into your painting project without scrambling for extra parts. The 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7 nozzles provide excellent atomization, ensuring a professional finish with reduced paint wastage. It's particularly effective for automotive work and crafting. However, some users found the cleaning process to be a bit tedious due to its components. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a comprehensive kit that's easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer a more basic setup without all the extras. At this price point, it's a worthwhile investment for beginners. Product number 3, Endozer HVLP Spray Gun Set. For those on a tighter budget, the Endozer HVLP spray gun set is priced at just $32.99 and is quite popular among beginners. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective option, this could be your go-to. The design is user-friendly, making it easy for newcomers to understand fluid control and air pressure adjustments. Plus, its uniform atomization helps achieve a clean finish. Some complaints mention that it can struggle with thicker paints, which is something to consider. But for most automotive paint applications, especially for beginners, it performs quite well, and its low price makes it an easy choice for practice. This is perfect for you if you want to experiment with spray painting without a hefty upfront investment. Skip this if you're planning to work with very thick coatings regularly. It's a great starting point for any beginner. Product number 4, Hotor HVLP Spray Gun. The Hotor HVLP spray gun comes in at a price of $23.39, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. If you're really just starting out and want to dip your toes into automotive painting, this is worth considering. It includes 3 replaceable nozzles, 1.4, 1.7, and 2, which are crucial for different paint applications. The gravity feed design helps minimize waste, which is a big help if you're just learning the ropes and don't want to waste materials. Plus, the lightweight construction is perfect for extended use without tiring your hand. However, some users pointed out that the build quality feels a bit less durable compared to pricier models. I'll be real with you, while it's not the most rugged option, it's an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn without making a big financial commitment. This is perfect for you if you're a newcomer wanting to learn the basics without spending too much. Skip this if you're looking for something with a professional-grade feel. It's a budget-friendly pick that still delivers good results. Product number 5, Bang4Buck HVLP Spray Gun. Last but not least, we have the Bang4Buck High Performance HVLP spray gun, which is priced at $39.99. This gun caught my attention for its ergonomic design and ease of use. If comfort during long painting sessions is what you're after, this might be your best bet. The 1000cc aluminum cup means fewer refills and more time spent painting. Plus, the control knobs give you full adjustment over the spray pattern and fluid control, making it adaptable for your needs. Some users mention that the pre-installed nozzle can be a bit tricky to remove, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get past that initial hurdle, the performance is quite reliable and it offers great value for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable spray gun for longer projects. Skip this if you're looking for something extremely lightweight. It strikes a solid balance between performance and comfort. So there you have it. The Aeropro R500 is great for a budget-friendly start. The Enoccraft D1 offers a comprehensive kit. The Endozer is a fantastic entry-level choice. The Hotor is ultra-affordable, and the Bang4Buck provides comfort. Each has its strengths, so pick based on your needs and budget.